Thutha wa Francis MUYA hamwe na ciana ciake igire iria cikaraga bũrũri wa Amerika gwikuirwo kuvanga njama ya kuraga mwendwa wake na arigania awana riu wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ni murikitwo na njira nene igikuruhanio kureheire mithia ciira-ini ucio.
What the ODPP is doing, he's playing a cat and mouse game. I've been to his office several times. He has been telling me that the file is in Nakuru. Other times the file is in Nairobi. The latest interaction I had with him was last week on Thursday. And he told me that the file probably could be in Nairobi because the person whom he sent the file to could have been transferred. So I can wait until today. That's why we are here today.
Kuratuika wabici ya ODPP IHEANE irocira uyo mwaka muthiru ni mucirithania kuma igoti ria Naivasha na nginya umuthi matiri maheana mwerekero ro wothe wegimainie na cira ucio.
ODPP. So Mr. ODPP, please come out clean. So justice has to be served in this case. So please stop the games. I've gone to Nairobi. I've received a letter from Nairobi that the file is not in Nairobi. Where in Nairobi did you send it to? Because Nairobi, I have a letter saying that the file is not in Nairobi. So where is it? Oh, the file, the person I sent the file to, he has been transferred. He transferred with the file. Please, we need justice.
Mroiga maheto nginya mukana meherie cira ucio igoti-ini thengia gukorwo utari wambiriria magitetia kiria giatumire kuirwo aria magwetetwo thitango-ini iyo matuo aira thirikari.
There was summons that were issued to them in the US through their emails and through their advocate. So they were aware that they were supposed to be here on 11th of February, but they did not show up. You know what the defense did? Now they requested for a review of the file so that the file can disappear.
Kuratuika atano aya mabangirwo kuragwo niguo mehere thiini wa broti ya gukiri kana ati MUYA hamwe na ciana ciake igire na iria cikaraga Amerika maitangite nginya mbeca niguo mutaratara ucio ukinyanirio.